Hi guys, it's Miss Heather, and this week we're going to be reading a book about cooking, and the book I chose to read to you guys is called The Best Mouse Cookie. All right. The Best Mouse Cookie. The book is by Laura Numeroff and Felicia Bond is the author and illustrator of the book. So The Best Mouse Cookie. Let's see if it's the best. Mouse has everything he needs to make cookies. He's got his apron. He's got his hat. He's got his little stool to stand on so he can reach. He adds flour, salt, and a little music. It says, "I'm the boss." Mouse thinks baking is easy. Sometimes. The bigger the drop, the louder the plop. Drop, drop, drop. Now Mouse needs a little nap. He makes himself comfortable. A little too comfortable. Oh no, he burnt the cookies. Oh well, Mouse doesn't mind starting over. There's no such thing as too many cookies. Look at all those cookies he's eating. But the best cookie is the one you share with your friend, or your mom, or your dad, or your teacher like Miss Heather, or Miss Kayla, or Miss Megan, or Miss Pat, or Miss Colleen, or Miss Hope. Just ask Mouse.